Welcome back to Blender Bytes, where we showcase fundamental Blender concepts in bite-sized pieces. Creating a proximity growth effect in Blender is quite simple using geometry nodes. This effect is made of three main parts: the object that you want your growth on, the instances that you want to grow, and the target object which makes them grow based on distance. For this effect, we'll start with a sphere and distribute points on faces. I'll instance cubes onto those points and change their rotation to match the normal of our sphere. Next, rejoin your original geometry with those instances. Now add your external object and reference it as an object info node inside of geometry nodes. Be sure to set it to relative. Plug the geometry into a proximity node and take the distance output to drive the instance scaling. Now, we can control the scale of our instances based on the proximity of our external object. For fine-tuning, you can add a map range node and play with the values. And congratulations, you have now made a custom procedural growth effect using geometry nodes.